Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a quick video here. This is my dash cam. This video is not about dash cams, but I like this one because it's small and I can stick it right up behind the rear view mirror and it doesn't get in the way. Some of them are much bigger form factor than this. Anyway, it came with this sticky double stick piece here that it's clear. I think you can probably still see it. And it lasted about a year to a year and a half, and now it's been falling off. Even though it still feels sticky, it's been falling off and falling off the windshield. So what I'm going to use is some automotive grade double stick tape. This is let's see, I saved the label on it because I thought I might need to show it to you guys and gals. And I'm gonna read it just in case the angle's not that good. It's 3M Scotch 5952 VHB tape. It's 1 inch by 15 feet, and that I've used it also on another piece that sticks up on the windshield. I think it has to do with OnStar. I'm not 100% sure, but there's like this black box that sticks up on the windshield to the right of the rear view mirror. If you know what it is, put it down in the comments. I think it's OnStar. But anyway, I had to stick that back up there over a year ago with this, and it hasn't budged at all. So I'm going to use this on the dash cam to replace that clear stuff that it came with. Okay, here's some Scotch. I don't know, I guess 3M and Scotch are like the same or very related companies. But this is older, and I don't know exactly what it is. But I know this one works, and it's good. So I'm just going to take a piece, cut it to this shape, stick it on there, peel off the red liner, and then stick it up behind the rear view mirror. Here we go. Okay, so there I cut it a little big and I stuck it on there. Now I'm going to trim it with a razor, and then I'll go to the car, peel the red, and stick it up there. Okay, there it is. I trimmed it. It doesn't have to be that perfect. And I started peeling back the red liner. Let's go to the car. Okay, so I'm going to stick it up there just like that. I need two hands, but you get the idea. Okay, there you can see I've got it on. And there's the rear view mirror, so I've got it. It hides pretty well in back of the rear view mirror. And it was recording the driveway for a second there. I mean, the garage door there. So it's got a little screen that displays what is being recorded, and the screen goes off after a little bit. Trying to get it focused for you. That's about as good as I can focus it. Okay, anyway, that is just all I wanted to show you. That is some automotive grade double stick tape, and it works. Here's that black box that I put up there that I think it's an OnStar. And it works pretty darn well for things that have to be on your windshield, which of course it sits out in the sun, it gets hot. It has to be a very, very good adhesive to work on a windshield. Okay, be safe, have fun. Froggy out, bye-bye.